Welcome. In front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you how to use AI enhancements for photos on this phone. So in order to enhance your photo using an AI, first let's take a simple photo, for example, of this beautiful artificial flower, and now we can check with the way it looks originally, and to enhance it, select edit, then select enhance, then let's save copy of this image, and now we can check both the original and the enhanced copy of the image. And that's basically how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.